So, in the previous video, we looked at how to solve systems using substitution, but there's another algebraical method to solving systems. So let me write down two systems here. 4x minus 2y is equal to 13, and 8x plus 2y is equal to 23, plus 2y equal to 23. And uh, this method is called the elimination method. So how about we try to add these two equations? So how about we try to add, right? And as you can see, we have negative 2x plus 2x. I mean negative 2y plus 2y. And this actually gets eliminated. It cancels out because 0y is just equal to 0. Anything plus 0 is just, the thing itself. So now y is eliminated, and now we can solve for x simply because x is now isolated without another variable in the way. So, so we still must add everything else. So here we have 12x, so 12x equals to, and we still need to add these two right here. So this is about 36, I think. 36. And then we divide both sides by 12. Both sides by 12. Then this side 2 by 12. And you will get x is equal to 3. Now we can just go back to the good old substitution method where we can just substitute to any equation. So if you want to do the above or the under, I think the above one will be much easier to do. And so you can solve for y here. So 4 times 3, 4 times, let me just go here, 4 times 3, minus 2y is equal to 13. And then here we have a 12 minus 2y is equal to 13, 13. And then here let's just subtract both sides by 12, minus 12. Negative 2y is equal to 1. Here, we can just divide by negative 2. And we have y is equal to negative 1/2. So now we can just write our ordered pair here, which is the solution to this system. So let's just write our ordered pair, which is, or here, let's just do 3, 1/2. So this is how we solve the system by elimination. But sometimes it's not so obvious. We don't always have this. So let's look at the second example. All right. So let me just get the equation right here. Hold up. Wait. Okay, so 3x. So let's do 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. And 3x plus 5y is equal to 14. 3x plus 5y is equal to 14. Now, if we add these equations, no number will get eliminated because 3x plus 3x is just, 6x. So we can't really solve this like this. But here's the thing we can actually do. We can multiply either equation. So if we want to multiply this one or this one, we can multiply them by negative. Because then if it's negative 3x plus 3x, it will eliminate. So we can manipulate the equation so we can eliminate it. This is a very useful thing. So let's do the above one because why not? So here negative times negative 3 is to become negative 3x plus negative minus 2y is equal to negative 8. Remember, we multiply the whole equation, so everything also is converted. So here it cancels out, and then negative 2y. So remember, this becomes negative 2y because we multiplied by a negative. Negative 2y plus 5y is just going to become 3y. And then here, negative 8, remember this becomes a negative. Negative 8. Oh, sorry, there you go. Negative 8 plus 14 is going to equal to, I think, hold up, 6. Yeah, 6. So it is equal to 6. And then here we divide 3 from both sides. 3. Y is equal to 2. So now we found y. Of course, you don't have to only eliminate x. You can also eliminate y if you want to, but it would be a little bit harder. I will show you this in the third example. So we have here y equals 2, and then let's just substitute in, I guess, this one. So 3x plus 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 8. And then here we can just subtract 4 from both sides. 3x is equal to 4. We can just divide by 3, divide by 3. And then we have x is equal to 4 thirds, 4 over 3. And now we have the solution for this example right here is going to be equal to 4 over 4 over 3 and then 2. So for our third example here, I'm going to be showing you this equation right here. So let's do 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, or yeah, 5. And then here, 4x minus 9y is equal to negative 10. So negative 10 right here. So let's just try to add these. If we try to add these, as you can see, we can't just simply multiply by negative here in this side or this side. It won't work because let's say if we multiply by negative, is negative 2x plus 4x is going to equal, it's just going to give us 2x, right? So how can we eliminate x? We can, of course, still eliminate y. If you want to do that, you can still do that. That's very valid, and it'll give you the same answer. But if you want to, just save time and, make it easier on yourself, just try to choose the smaller value. So how can we eliminate this? Well, we can convert this. We can try to convert this into negative 4x. If we convert this into negative 4x, it will cancel with this 4x right here. Of course, you can try to convert this one into, negative 2x, but it'll make the rest of the solving harder. So what we can do here, how do we turn 2 into negative 4? We can multiply by negative 2, right? So now we have here, this is going to equal to negative 4x minus 6y. Because remember, we're multiplying negative 2 to everything in this equation, right? So is equal to negative 10. So now this cancels out with this one, so we don't get anything. And then 6y minus 9y is going to equal to 15y, or negative 15y. Negative 15y is equal to negative 20. And now we can just simply solve for y, because remember, we eliminated x, so now we only have y here. So we can just divide by negative 15 on both sides to cancel this. So negative 15, this cancels out. And then here we get our solution. So here, negative 15. And now we get y is equal to 20 over 15. And let's just simplify this so we can divide both of these by 5. So this is divide by 5. And then here, let's divide by 5 to simplify this fraction right here. And here we will get 4 over 3. So y is equal to 4 over 3. Now we can substitute this y, because now we know the value of y, in any of these equations. It will work. It's still valid. You will get the same answer if you do for this one or if you do for this one. But this one has the smaller numbers, so it's much easier. So I recommend you do the one with the smaller numbers, the one that's easier to solve for you. Right. So let's just do 2x plus 3 times 4 over 3 is equal to, and then we have here 5, I think. Yeah, that's 5. Right? So now 3 times 4 is, just imagine this is like this. 3 times 4, so we're just going to get 2x plus 12 over 3, which actually just equals to 4 right here, so equals 5. So 2x plus 4, because remember, if you simplify this, you get 4, is equal to 5. So we just subtract 4 by both sides, subtract by 4. And now we have 2x is equal to 1. And to simply, we can just divide 2. So this cancels out. And then here we have x is equal to 1/2. So now that we have our x and y values right here, we can just simply put the solution in an ordered pair. And then now we just solved this system right here. So it's going to equal to 1/2 and 4 over 3. And that is all for today. I hope you understood this lesson as you understood the previous 2 lessons, and I will see you next time.